See how there's a crotch up in there between all the bins? If the rope goes up between that crotch, if you pull on it, you can pull down in there and you won't get the rope out until you unload it.
So it's preferable not to do that.
Get far enough back to where you're getting the whole rope. I don't just want to see my face.
Well, it's a wide angle lens.
I'm preaching to the choir. Now what it? Okay, this is my second chance to try left hand. And he did better. But again, he went into the trap. And this will be my effort throwing straps with the left hand. And what you do is you just throw it up in the air and then you jerk on this and it makes it unroll.
Interesting. It'll probably work.
You'll see I was successful. It's on this side. And this did go in the crack.
Doable.
Now we get to tie trucker's hitches. And it's hard because this arm doesn't want to lift up, so I have to help it. Do you remember when we worked for Grotech and you had to lift up 500-pound barrels for the dolly?
Yeah.
And you got to use your weight by putting a 5-pound bucket on your forehead? Well, I utilize my greater weight here to tie this. So instead of just pulling on it, I can put my considerable weight on it.
Yeah, looks like you got it down the system.
And these are French plums, which is what the variety that they normally use for making prunes.
By golly.
Well, Joe says he needs some prunes.
Grab some out of one of those. They're not quite as effective when they're green as when they're dried, but they are effective. Well, the trick is not to, when you lift your leg up, not to fall on your butt.
That would be a good trick, all right. But just in case things go south, we're getting it with the camera.
That's right, so we have historical proof.
We can
Now wait
Catch
here.
all the colorful language and everything.
Oh, I know, right? 'Cause I left it on the deck, so Jose had to move it. He probably called on me blessed for having to get off his forklift and move it. Forklift drivers are a lot like cowboys in the Old West. They don't want to do anything that makes them get down from their vehicle.
Yep.
Okay, so now the loader's ready to go. As soon as Cesar can move his truck out of the way, I can go to the dryer and you can follow me.
get it in.
And then we get to go to La Mexicana restaurant and pick up our food.
Wonderful.
Except you guys just ate, so I guess I can't give you any.
Good.
You can always eat.
Well, it's worth a try.
You probably don't even like carnitas. All right, we can stop filming and go ahead and jump in our vehicle. Because he'll be moving the truck in a second.
You better not.